Welcome to my channel, friends. So today I'll show you how to make a YouTube channel. So let's go to Chrome, and here you have to type YouTube, and after that you just have to log in, sign in, and by using a Gmail account you have to log in. So let's type my password now, and your account has been opened in YouTube. Then you just have to click this tab of your profile, and then here you can see create a channel option. You have to press, and here you can write the name of your channel as well as your handle. So let me write mine. After writing name and putting your handle, you have to upload your picture. So you can just crop this and adjust, then done. So that's it. After that you have to press create channel button, and your channel will be created. And here we go. I guess it's done. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Your channel has been created, and here you can customize your channel. See, all the information is given: layout, branding, basic info. You can put your channel trailer, featured. So I'm gonna explain one by one in the next video. Thank you for watching.